Hello guys, today we're seeing exciting contest. Without further ado, let's begin.
Children's Day free online photo competition for ages 0 to 15 years old. For participants, send child's photo, full name, and your Insta ID. Winner will be based on likes on photos. Winners will get exclusive Meva Bite dry fruits box and will be declared in 18 November. Here are the rules to participate. Children's Day week, get a chance to send out on your child on social media platforms. Every child and the 4 most liked photos will win a chance. 0 to 6 years 2 winners and 7 to 15 years 2 winners in each age group. Rules: children from 0 to 15 years only. Last date is till 11:59 p.m. 15 November. Post with maximum likes will win. Total likes will be considered till 18 November. Winners will be announced on 18 November. Please make sure to follow all the rules. Indian residents only. Please share, like, and subscribe.